What's up, guys? Millennial Handyman with another how-to video. Today we're going to be changing the oil on my 2015 Honda Civic Si. Let's get to it. Alright, first thing we're going to do is pop this hood. Hopefully it's not hot because I've been driving. Let's have it cool down. There. It's got the 2.4 VTEC in it, K series. So by having that oil filler cap up there open, it'll let this run out a lot better, faster, with the gravity pushing down through with the air pushing it. Right up in there. On the metal frame, you'll see some notches. I'm going to be doing a filter and oil change. Always smart when jacking up the front. Pull the e-brake. Let's make sure that it is pulled. It's indeed up. Alright. One thing I always do is when I'm using the hydraulic jack, I always have a set of jack stands underneath the car as well. Let the weight rest on those. And of course, keep this tight too, but you know, just for added safety. Alright guys, so we're underneath the car now, and you got the oil drain plug right here, and then the oil filter right there. Pretty close, pretty easy. Honda did a good job with this, because I know when I had my 98 EX, yeah, it was, oil filter was hidden pretty far up in there. It was kind of hard to change. Alright, before you start, once you get the car all jacked up and everything, do your oil cap. That'll help let it drain through. Let's go underneath. Now what we got here is a 17 millimeter. I'm using a deep well socket and a 1/2 inch deep well socket just because it's what I had available. Back, guys. Break it loose. Sorry for that malfunction there. Well, I guess with all things done. Goes. And so by having that oil filler cap up there open, it'll let this run out a lot better, faster, with the gravity pushing down through, with the air pushing it out. So we'll let that drain for a minute, and we'll be back to take off the oil filter. God dang. Not many put it on this tight. There we go, strip it out. That's what I do. There we go. It was a 1 inch. Oh, now it's gonna stick. Yeah. Look at all that. Yeah. I'm not gonna tighten that here in a minute. What we're gonna be putting in this today is the Advanced Fuel Economy Mobile 1 0W20. You can also put 5W20 if you'd like in this thing. The oil filter of choice is the Fram Tough Guard. TG7317 is what fits the Honda Civic 2.4 liter. All right, let's change it. The Fram Tough Guard filter's got the grip at the top. What you do, open up the Mobile 1, take a little oil, put it around it. Didn't mean to get it on my new Z creeper. Just a little bit. Dab around it. You can put as much or as little as you want to. Just helps the, I think it helps the seal right here. This O-ring. Put it all on there. Give it a good twist. Don't want to over tighten it though. There we go. That's tight enough. Got the drain plug put back in. Alright, that's nice and snug on there. Time to fill it in. Pour it in fast, pour it in. Out, check about what I got left. See, most oil jugs, when you get them in this 5-quart jug, they have a mark. They have marks on the back. So you see, this is 5 quarts. So on the quart side, it says quart right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is up here. So we've done about 1.5. Don't want to overfill. If you underfill, you can always add more. It's hard to take out, as you just seen what I had to go through. All right, once you fill it up, check down here for leaks. I don't see any. Not leaking. Not leaking on the oil drain plug. We'll check it again once we start it. So now's about the time that you could start. Now once we've got some in it, I'm gonna pull the dipstick after it settles a minute. Start checking. And of course you're gonna want to wipe this off. Put it back down in there. We'll pull it out again. Okay, not even on the dipstick yet, so we got plenty more to go. I'm at just about 3.5 quarts. Should start seeing something on the dipstick after it settles for a minute. Oh yeah, you see it starts showing up a little bit. See a little glimmer right there. Yeah, we're close. Of course, once we start it, we'll start it, let it run for a second, get that oil going through, and then check it again once it fills the system full. That's good. Yeah, it's getting up there. It's right at the bottom dot. By the way, the dots on that dipstick, if it's on the low end, I think it's a quart low. If it's on the high end, it's full. Right in the middle is where you want it. We're gonna move jack stands. Still got dark on me now. Make sure everything's out of the way at the tires. Let this sucker down. Oh, real fast. What I'd like to do. Now, you know what? We're going to check it before we start it. Just letting it down like that might give us a better reading. Oh yeah, now we're up there. See, it's right there in the middle. I can't see it. That's too dark. There's a layer. Take my word for it. All right, now we'll start it up. Let it run till it gets the temp. Oh, it's up to temp. Blue light's out. 90 miles past due. We'll reset that since we did an oil and filter change on it, and then it'll be a happy camper again. All right, let's go. All right, it says exit right there. So what we're going to do, we're going to hit exit. We'll hit your menu button. It's going to bring up vehicle information. Come over here, hit it up. You see it has up the vehicle. You hit the up button, plus button, vehicle information, hit source. It says maintenance info. Hit that again, hit source again. Oil and filter, you hit reset, hit the middle. Reset. Would you like to reset? Up down with the minus arrow. Yes, you would like to reset. Boom. It's been reset, and oil life is 100%. Oil filter, tire rotation, done. Thank you. Bye. All right, guys, this has been Millennial Handyman with another video. Hope you find this helpful. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. I'm always open to suggestions, whatever. Thank you. Until we do it again.